The Philadelphia Mint struck more Morgan dollars than every other mint in the entire series. But just because the Philadelphia Mint Morgans are known for having a high mintage, it does not mean that they are any easier to find than any other Morgan dollar in the series. In fact, some Philadelphia Mint Morgans are almost impossible to find today for collectors. And this Philadelphia Mint Morgan from the early 1900s has less than 2% of its original mintage known to exist today, if experts are to be believed. This is the 1902 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar in beautiful super slider quality condition. It is item number 9059340. That's 9059340. And while our limited supplies last, this hard to find Philadelphia Mint Morgan can be all yours for the unbeatable price of just $99.95, a price that has us the envy of our competition. You can call in and grab this rare Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar at 1-866-518-5933, or you can head to our website, abccoins.com. Head up to the search bar and put 9059340. That's 9059340, and grab an incredibly hard to find Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar for almost $50 less than our nearest competition. Now in 1902, the Philadelphia Mint struck 7.9 million Morgan dollars, a relatively high mintage that ranks 11 out of all Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars by mintage. But in the Morgan dollar series as a whole, it comes in all the way at 59th out of 97 total Morgan dollars. 96 if you want to count the 8-tail feather and 7-tail feather as one coin. But experts believe that in the 1918 silver melts, that less than 2% of the 1902 Philadelphia Mint Morgans were known to survive. And that's because when it came to those 1918 melts, the first coins to be melted were the last coins put in, which meant the closer that the Morgan dollar got to 1918, the more likely they were to be destroyed, because they were the first coins that the U.S. Treasury would go to melt down. When you look at population reports today, you see just why many experts believe that only 2% of the mintage survived at all. That's because across NGC and PCGS today, in any condition at all, there are just 18,183 known examples of the 1902 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar. And that's from VGs all the way up to MS64s and 5s. Just 18,183. When we compare that to some other hard-to-find Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars, you begin to see just how rare this coin truly is. It has a lower population than the rare 1899 Philadelphia Mint Morgan, which has over 30,700 known examples today in any condition, or the 8-tail feather design from the first year of issue in 1878 from the Philadelphia Mint. That has a known population today of over 37,590 known examples. That means that this 1902 Philadelphia Mint Morgan is 1.5 times rarer than the 1899 and well over 2 times rarer than the 1878. That's incredible when you take into account that the 1899 is the 6th rarest Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar by mintage, and the 1878 8-tail feather comes in as the 4th rarest Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar by mintage and the 15th rarest Morgan dollar of all time. This coin has a smaller population known today than both of those rare pieces. When you can find this coin with our competition, they want over $148 for it. We are more than $48 less at just $99.95. And those coins that they had were heavily circulated pieces. Each of our coins are in stunning super slider quality condition. And what that means is each of these coins are an AU technical grade, about uncirculated coin, that has a strong, high eye appeal finish. What that means is every one of these coins was handpicked by one of us to not just meet the AU grade technically, but it also had to be a high eye appeal coin that we would want to have in our collections ourselves. And that high eye appeal status is only held to an even stricter level when we're talking about a hard to find coin like the 1902 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar. When you can find this coin in AU condition, you're looking at well over $240. We're more than $140 less at just $99.95 for a beautiful piece that would be the perfect addition to any collection. You heard me explain just how rare this coin was in compared to the 1899 and 1878 8 tail feather, but let's also compare their prices. For a super slider quality coin with our competition, actually a bit lower, their coins are more of a technical, very fine grade. They want over $450 for the 1899 and over $220 for the 8 tail feather. That means that our coins are rarer by population than those two coins, while also being over $350 less than the 1899 and more than $120 less than the 1878 8 tail feather. That means that this coin is not only an incredible value, it's one of the best values you're going to hear about all night. It is a beautiful must-have addition to any serious Morgan dollar collector, because the 1902 Philadelphia Mint Morgan is only going to get harder and harder to find. With less than 2% surviving the 1918 silver melts and only a little over 18,000 known examples in any condition today, collectors are finally wising up to just how hard to find this Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar truly is. With the phone lines blowing up, this coin is not going to last long. So make sure you call in now and grab yours while you still can. We only have a handful of these rare Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollars left, and they are disappearing by the second. Make sure you call in at 1-866-518-5933 or head to abccoins.com. Go to the search bar and put 905-9340 and grab this rare 1902 Philadelphia Mint Morgan dollar while you still have a chance. A coin this rare at a value this good, more than $50 less our competitors' heavily circulated pieces, these coins are sure to disappear and disappear fast. Grab yours while you still can, because before long, this rare coin will be lost to history.